Morning everybody. So I don't know if you remember, back in January we fixed a pass-through dishwasher with our students and we donated that money that we made from the dishwasher to charity. SJL Leisure bought that pass-through and you'll see a picture of them now with their cheque. So going to cancer research. So we've decided to do it again. So what better way to upcycle a product than to fix it with all new parts and donate the money to charity again.
Which charity are we going to go for? 16 bits of paper, write your charity on it, fold it up and then we'll put it in a box. No favouritism there. That one. Salvation Army. All right, fair enough. They do quite good work, don't they? Good shout then, good shout.
So this time we've gone for the Salvation Army. That's where the money for this dishwasher is going to. A bit of a backstory about this dishwasher. The customer's owned it for 9 years and they've decided to upgrade to a new one. It's one of our CK1543 dishwashers. Our student engineers have been working in the mornings to get it fixed. All new parts on it. It's had a detergent pump and a rinse booster pump, I believe. So it's all ready to go now. It's been fully tested, fully cleaned, ready for sale. So we're going to sell this one. It'll be on our website now for £600 and all that money is going to go to the Salvation Army. So let's give it a test. It's ready to go.